Hello guys, today I'm playing Draw a Boat and Sail. Oh my god! Did anybody else see that raft flip out? Look at my epic raft. This will never fail. This raft is so epic and like nobody could ever like do anything to it. This is like so good. This raft is gonna be so good. Why am I saying this raft so much? No, this raft is not gonna be good. But let's see what happens if I'm not gonna jump. That was stupid. But whatever. This whole YouTube channel is. I don't care. Okay, raft, let's go. Wait, no, wrong way. Wrong way, wrong way. We gotta sail across the seas and hopefully we don't get hit by a storm. That'll kill us all. And yeah. Okay guys, let's keep going. I'm on my way! I'm on my way! I don't know. Reaching. No! Whatever. No. Ah! My raft! My raft! Time to relax. My raft is breaking. I'm so sad. It's fine. My raft is just a raft. But a storm is coming in a minute or something, and like I'm scared. I gotta swim across the horizon. Wait, no, I'm not swimming. If I swim, I die. I think I see the wind. My wind is coming. Yeah. I'm so good at this. Oh my gosh. I just started. Oh my gosh. That person is so new. Like imagine you're like right at the end. Okay, I gotta go quick before the storm. Die. Bye-bye. Ha 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 ha. Yeah! I'm rich. Okay. Infinite money glitch, guys. Infinite money glitch, guys. Oh. See, I told you it's an infinite money glitch. Oh, that is so noob. Yeah. I wish there was like an auto clicker. Because I'm a mobile user, obviously. Get off of my dang raft. Good. Hacker. No. 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 Ah! Wait. Okay, good. Got a raft or something. I don't know. Wee. Yeah, yeah. Wait, no. Oh, Ouch. I want the Megalodon. Not the Metro. I don't know. The Metro. Metrio. Just. Metrio Heimtress or whatever. I can't read. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep. I see the end. I gotta go. Yes. No, 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 no. Oh, that dang brick. That dang rock in the wall almost killed me. No, 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 no. I'm trying to get my. Oh man. Well, bye, boat. I didn't like you anyway. Yeah. I wanted money. Whatever. Okay, that was that idea. It's fine. It's just. Wait, I have to see. If one. What I was trying to say is can you please stop? Defy gravity or whatever. Wow. Nice hair, Maddie. Wait. got an idea. Okay, time back to waiting. Okay, now launch. No, what the? Twin! Meow. Wow. Okay, guys, this will be the perfect plan. Yes, yes. Oh, that's the end of my day. Okay, so I officially moved it. Okay, guys, anyone could get on my raft. Oh, okay. Everybody betrayed me, and now I'm alone, and nobody loved me. Oh my God, this is such a sad song. Oh, even my boat doesn't love me, and I must cry. And then the storm is happening in a minute. And now I'm about to die. Oh my God, help me. These rocks are ruining my day. Just like when you should like and subscribe. Okay. Just like when you should not be in a situation I am in. And yeah. Oh my gosh, my Archilon is stuck. No. No. I hate this. Oh no, I have to be quick. Hello, kitty cat. You dang raft. I hope your raft falls and dies. Wait, no. How does a raft fall and die? Don't ask. No, I gotta go. I gotta get it there. Yes! Take that raft. I'm gonna watch it die and suffer. So that's the situation I would have been in? Oh, heck no. Please, money. you should be doing this while there's a full-on storm going on. Oh my god. Wait. You know what? Okay. This is an iPhone. Look at this. Look. Ah! Ah! This is a night. Oh, I could just. The holy cat face. No. I'm okay. Guys, I'm okay. False alarm. False alarm. Okay? Mom, I'm making a video. No, other way, okay. No. No, I found out. No, the holy cat face. Nah. No. Tape. Okay. No. I know. Oh no. Oh, it just disappeared in front of my eyes. Okay, I gotta go. Yay, I got a friend boost. Yay. Yay. Oh, no! This is bad. I'm so good at this. Give me some. Not amazing, Taurus. Oh, never mind. That's better. We. You know, I'm gonna make the most overpowered. Even the storms can't beat it. Please. Okay, storms, you will face the evil raft of the evil raft. And there's even a shark or whatever. What is that? A Placosaurus. Yeah. Have I been calling them their names instead of their? Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay. Fear me. What? Fear me. Storms. I shouldn't fear you because, like, I am Automato. Oh no. Mama. Oh, okay. Oh, the storms destroy your raft. Great. That's nice to know. Help! Help me! Help! Wait, why does he look like cheese? I gotta go. I gotta go quick. No! The break of the evil raft! Big. No, 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 no. Boing, 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 boing. Ah! Ah, mama! Mama! No! Ah! Oh, now he wants to. Boom, bow, boom. The mad and angry face. The angry face will do it. Bet. No! Okay, guys, I'm stranded on this raft. Okay, so like, so yeah, and there's like nothing I could do about it, and I'm gonna like die and stuff out here because I'll stay out here for too long. So smash like, wait, no, I'm not Otter on Roblox. Okay, goodbye.